Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy and the Paper Pumpkin December Berry Comforting card kit. So I will go ahead and make the second card in the examples that they've done, and that's what it looks like. It says, "You are on my mind." So I have got all the pieces out ready. You need the soft seafoam card base with the rich razzleberry lines. You need the rich razzleberry mat. You need the bear. And the bear, his arm is actually die cut so that you can slip the flowers underneath. Very important when you place it down that this is up so you don't have to dig for it. And then the circle for the greeting. And I've got the greeting stamp and the rich razzleberry stamp spot. So as I've said before, everything you need is in the kit, and all these cards use dimensionals. So we will go ahead and add the dimensionals to this and start layering it up. And we will just carry on. These are so quick to build, and they are so cute. So you just center this, drop it down. Then you can dimensionalize your bear and add your bear. Just put these over here so it's easier. I am going to put a couple on the top, kind of one there and one on his leg, and then we just peel them off. And as I said, you make sure his arm is kind of lifted up a little bit so it's easier to put the flowers in. We just line this up and drop it down. There you go. I'm putting a dimensional at the top of the bouquet, and I will just slide it underneath his paw, just like that. And then I'm going to stamp the greeting. Use my stamp spot and ink up my stamp. And you can see there's good coverage on that. So I'm just going to stamp it down. And then just knock it off. There we go. And again, with the dimensionals, we're just going to put a couple dimensionals on the back of this one. And then we pop it on the bottom like that. And there you have it. Really cute card to let someone know that you're thinking about them. So thank you very much. And if you would like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, you can absolutely do so. And you can use the links below. So we will see you next time when we do the third card in the kit, the Get Well Soon. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.